Hello, my messengers.
You got a deer.
What?
What just happened? I tried to run over that deer and it did not work.
I thought it was a kangaroo.
Bah! Hoorah.
Pooter, you keep saying it wrong. It's boom, bam, bop. Bada bop, boom, pow.
Bop, 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 pow, pow.
Speak up, dude. I'm serious.
I'm serious too.
You gotta scream into the camera.
No.
Why not?
Not at all.
Why not? Come on. You're too scared, bro.
No. Why would I be scared?
I got the hiccups and you're still screaming. You're getting sued by your viewers.
I'm gonna get sued. What? Why would I get sued by my viewers?
You're getting sued by a giant fat man on the rap.
Alright, I'm just gonna stop talking.
Look, he's trying to chase you on bare feet. No, let him catch up to you. Just do it. He doesn't know what he's going after. And you need fiber,
I need fiber.
Yeah. Sorry that I keep on pausing in the middle of my sentences. Got the hiccups here, guys. Wonder if the camera goes up or down. So my hiccups are good.
Alright, Bunny, stop talking like that. Bro, how you go? Bunny.
What?
Why would that guy just switch lanes like that? I will stop this recording.
Okay. Ow! Why you hit me?
Dad. Alright, we gonna show y'all the finished product.
Okay. Bum ba da bum. Sorry if the quality is terrible. It just went from okay to ew. Like for real.
Y'all like my new shiny car.
We're gonna pause. We're gonna pause for a second.
At what point did you pause?
I don't know. Guys, we thought we were recording this whole time, but I accidentally kept it paused.
Why?
You guys missed a whole bunch. We thought we could customize this monster truck, and I said everyone would go to Barcelona for free, but then we found out we couldn't go to Barcelona, and then I found out that
what is Barcelona?
It's Spain, and then I found out that they was just paused the whole time.
What? Why?
Well, we're exploring down the country roads. Gonna go to some stupid waterfalls. I think it's a wasteland. Look at someone in a black van. Never trust no thug.
Hey, that guy's in a black van.
Shut it. Never trust no thug. Never trust me. It's just a song I'm making up by word.
Are you sure about that?
I promise.
Everything is a song nowadays.
And when I come in up, I'm gonna put you on a fake shopping spree. Sure. Guys, that's my country voice because that's how they be sounding for you.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you're gonna die.
Oh, man.
It's sputter blood right there. So, Puda, they didn't see your new look.
Hey, y'all like my freshness, bro? I look like a security guard.
No, you don't. You got a grenade in your hand.
Right, dude.
Yeah.
You see what happened.
Juju did. Y'all should know who Juju is. She's the one who's always trying to talk during our recordings. Yeah. Okay. Move out the way. Trying to throw some darts, stupid. Okay, I will then.
I want to throw these darts.
Oh, excuse me. Did you hear that?
Yes, everybody.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Bro, y'all trying to throw these darts? Hey, bro, you trying to...
What if you accidentally threw one at the lady?
What if I did that on purpose, though?
You could actually throw it at the people?
No.
Oh.
Why you throw that on your own, bro? What does these mean?
I have no idea.
Oh, a leg is a single game. Yeah, let's do that thing.
Now press start game.
I supposed to get in the middle? Somebody tell me if I'm playing this right.
You're supposed to get it in the middle. You're supposed to get a bullseye. She said you stand. Oh, look at her though. We'll see you after the dark's done.
Stupid looking.
Alright, sorry about that pause, guys. I told you guys that I would pause because we'd see you guys at the end.
Darts.
And then he punched a lady, and apparently her husband. Yeah, and her husband got so mad that he followed Franklin,
and then I pulled out a gun and he went away.
You should have just socked him in the eye.
Okay, if I socked him in the eye, then I would have the police on me, wouldn't
No, because he followed you behind some bushes.
Pop, bam, pop.
No, it's boom. Copy out for me, boom.
No.
Boom.
No.
Boom. Boom. Bam. Bop. Bada bop boom. Pow.
I took flying courses. I'm an expert at this.
No, he's
not
not.
to worry your little heads.
He's not an expert, but
I am an expert.
he's okay.
Why? I'm just okay. That's all I know to you.
No, because I can't say nothing because I don't know how either. It's okay, put it. Not everybody knows how to fly a plane properly. Excuse me.
Oh, was I not supposed to get that?
No, you're supposed to get the yellow.
Oh.
I told you he
But
wasn't.
look like an ugly
Okay.
snickerdoodle. You know that?
A what?
A ugly snickerdoodle.
Where's the snickerdoodle? Guys, I think I've had this whole thing upside down the whole time.
I'm going upside down the whole
No, I mean, I think I've had the camera upside down the whole time.
Why? Alright, we can go publish it. It's all good. Right?
Upside down video. But I gotta watch it just to make sure that I didn't have it upside down
Oh,
first.
I have to go. I get those ones.
Alright, well, wait, crash into the water. Just do it. For the ending. Do it for the ending. Do it for the ending.
Alright, we got the end.
3? No, you're supposed to crash into the water.
Bye.
Bye,
I did not